In today's video, I'm going to show you two different hair treatments that will not only moisturize your hair, but also help prevent hair loss, hair breakages, split ends, and also promote hair growth. These two treatments are very easy and simple to prepare and is really safe for both kids and adults. With this treatment, you do not need to wash it out. You just have to leave it in and it's going to do all the magic to your hair. If you don't know a lot about me, I used to have relaxed or permed hair and chemicals damaged my hair. But thanks to all these DIYs, I've been able to grow back my edges and my hair is now fuller and thicker. And I am super grateful to all these DIYs. So if you're someone who is looking forward to growing your hair as well as looking for simple hairstyle tutorials, then you're at the right place. Make sure to subscribe and click on the bell so each time I upload a video, you'll be notified. Without further ado, let's get into it. Hello beautiful people, welcome or welcome back. So our first ingredient for today's recipe is ginger. Ginger helps with scalp circulation, which in turn promotes hair growth. It contains so many vitamins and minerals which strengthens our hair strength to prevent hair loss, hair damages, and also hair thinning. The next ingredient we're going to add is the hibiscus. Hibiscus serves as a natural hair conditioner. It can add some shine to the hair, prevent hair loss, hair damages, split ends, as well as hair thinning. It can also prevent hair itchiness and also dandruff. Our next ingredient is going to be the coconut oil. Coconut oil is really lightweight and can be easily absorbed into our hair strands. It can also help prevent dandruff and also dry, itchy scalp. I used about 3 to 4 tablespoons, but you can use as much as you want depending on the quantity of the treatment that you want to do. The next ingredient is our organic extra virgin olive oil. Olive oil is really lightweight and can be easily absorbed into the hair strand. I mean, it's one of the best oils that you can use for hair growth. It can help add some shine to the hair, prevent dandruff, dry itchy scalp, and promote hair growth. So after adding it to it, we're going to blend everything away like no one's business. And hey guys, if you're still watching this video to this point, show your girl some love. You know how we do it here. Give this video a thumbs up, and if you are new here, do not forget to subscribe and click on the bell so each time I upload DIYs like these for hair growth, you will be notified. And hey guys, this is what we have it now, and I'm going to add a little more of the extra virgin olive oil. There is no measurement to it, and that is one reason why I love my DIYs. They are all natural ingredients. Too more or too less is not going to harm you in any way. You just eye gauge it, and depending on how much quantity that you are planning to make, you just use as much as you want. So after, I'm going to put it on the fire like this, and make sure you cook this on a very, very, very low to medium heat, guys, because you don't want to burn this. If you burn this, you will have to start all over again, and I don't want that for you, girl. Once you start it, make sure you are on it, by it, and give it a stir every now and then, like so. So once you give it a stir and it turns this way, we're going to turn off the fire we're going to cook it for about 10 to 15 minutes, and we're going to turn off the fire and going to strain it. And this is how it's looking. It's all dark red, and it's all because of the hibiscus flowers. So guys, make sure if you are not standing next to this, it might burn without you knowing, because the hibiscus is already, a little darker on the side, kind of reddish dark. I don't know if you know the right word to use, but that is what I mean. Because of the color, you have to be on it, otherwise it will burn without you knowing it is burned. But this is the exact color that we are looking for. So once you get this color, you turn off the fire, allow it to cool down at a room temperature. Then you're going to strain it out with any cheesecloth, your wig cap, and just make sure whatever you're using, sis, it is clean. Do not use that dirty wig cap. Otherwise, you're going to contaminate your whole treatment. So make sure whatever you're using is all clean to be used. And that's what we have. And look at that yummy oil. And you know how we do it. I love my lavender oil due to its fragrance and also the strength that it adds to the hair. Okay, sis, if you're still watching this video to this point, I know you are really enjoying it. So what are you waiting for? Show your girl some love by giving this video a thumbs up. And if you are new here, do not forget to subscribe and click on the bell so each time I upload DIYs like these, you will be notified. So this is it. I'm going to transfer it into a container, And I'm going to cover it. Why do I cover it? So I do not get any moisture or anything in it. We just want the pure oil, okay? Then after that, I'm going to put it in the refrigerator. Then we're going to leave it till it solidifies. Okay, girl. So at this time, you can just chill. You can just go watch your favorite show on the TV or just have your dinner. And once it's solidified like so, you can grab it and start using it. Look at that. Look at that. This thing just melts out. So you just have to make sure whenever you want to use it, I mean, after using it, you put it back in the refrigerator so it can always be in the solid form, unless you want it in the liquid form. Okay, so let me go ahead and show you the second treatment. You're going to love this, so make sure you're watching to the end. And the first ingredient I'm going to use is the cloves. You know I love my cloves. Cloves can help you grow your hair much faster. It can help prevent dandruff. It can also moisturize your hair. Okay, so we're going to use hibiscus for this treatment as well. We're going to add it to the cloves and both in a pot of boiling water. Allow it to boil for about 10 minutes and give it a stir every now and then to make sure you get all the extras from the hibiscus as well as the cloves. And once you get that deep red color, it is all done. Just turn off the fire, allow it to cool at a room temperature. Then after that, you strain your spray out. And guys, this hairspray does a whole lot of wonders for our natural hair. So just make sure you're watching this video to the end, because towards the end, I'm going to give you all the instructions on how to use these two treatments to promote hair growth and prevent hair loss. And also, I'm going to show you how to store the excess in case you make too much and you don't know how to store it. I'm going to show you the best way to store it. Okay, so I'm just adding my essential oils. I added my lavender oil. You know I love my lavender oil. I love the fragrance, and lavender oil can also help you grow your hair. Okay, if you're still watching this video to this point, I know you are really enjoying it just as I am enjoying filming this video. So show your girl some love by giving this video a thumbs up. And if you are new here, do not forget to subscribe and click on that bell so that each time I upload DIYs like these, you will be notified. On this channel, I do a whole lot of DIYs that can help you grow your hair, as well as simple hairstyle tutorials that you can rock. I also do kids hairstyle tutorials, so oh moms, I got you. I got you. There's a whole lot of fun that goes on this channel, so you have to make sure you join us by subscribing and clicking on the bell. Okay, so I'm going to show you the best way to use these treatments. The first way is how to use the hairspray. This is a leave-in, guys. This is a leave-in. You're not going to wash it out. So after, 3-4 days, 1 week after you have your hair in a protective hairstyle and it's all dried like so, it's all ready to break, as brittle as my hair, you need to re-moisturize it. And that is what this treatment is going to do for you. You spray it in it, you massage it into your roots, your scalp, everywhere, your hair strands. Make sure you are getting it to your hair ends and every part of the hair. Then after that, you go in with your oil. I am using my ginger and clove oil. I have a link to this oil. I'm going to leave it in the description box so you can check the recipe out. But you can use any oil of your choice to seal in that moisture. Then after that, you have to put your hair in a protective hairstyle like so. Do not forget to put your hair in a twist or any kind of braids, because that is how you're going to hold in the moisture. So guys, protective hairstyles are very, very important when it comes to hair growth. If you're someone looking forward to growing your hair and you do not put your hair into protective hairstyles, you're going to start breaking your hair, you're going to start losing your hair, and you're going to come back here crying that you want to grow your hair. So make sure you're following all my hair care routine so you can also grow your hair as thick and beautiful like mine. But guys, just look at that. Come a little closer. You are too far from the screen. Come a little closer. Check that hair out. Did you see how moisturized, how shining, and how beautiful that hair is looking? Thanks to all these DIYs, guys. If you are not trying these DIYs, if you are sleeping on them, sis, you better wake up and start using them, because they're going to help you grow your hair. You can also spray this on your hair every day, massage it in your scalp and massage it everywhere. And this will help with your scalp. And new hair grows from the scalp. So once you stimulate your scalp and blood flows into your scalp, it can encourage new hair growth. Okay, so in case you made too much and you don't have time to be making it every day and you need ways to store this hairspray, this is the best way that you can store it. You just have an ice cube container like so. Just pour it in it, make it into ice cubes. Do you know you can also drink hibiscus? I drink it sometimes. It's really good for our health. So even if you make it in ice cubes like these, you can be eating them. But this is our hairspray because we added some lavender oil and all that, so you do not want to eat this particular one. But this is how you do it. You do it in this way, and if it's in ice cubes like so, and you're ready to use, you melt it like so, and it's all ready to be used. Another way that you can use the other treatment, that is the batter, is after a hair wash, you put in your leave-in conditioner. You go in with any oil of your choice, but today I'm using my yummy ginger and clove oil. Guys, you need to check the recipe in the description box. You massage that oil to your scalp, to your edges, to your roots, everywhere. Okay, and this is the batter we just prepared. That is the hibiscus batter. So after the oil, you just go in with that and you massage that to every part of the hair. Guys, if you have any problems in your hair like balding, if you have hair breakages, if you have split ends, concentrate on that part and just massage it in. And you know how important it is to massage your scalp. So as you apply these good DIYs to your hair, make sure you are massaging it into your scalp and every part of your hair. Then after that, of course, you need to lock in the moisture, and that is how I always tell you, you will always have to put your hair in a kind of a protective hairstyle like so, or you can do 3 braids as well. And hey guys, thank you so much for stopping by today to watch this video. I really appreciate you watching it. I know you have already given this video a thumbs up, and if you are new here, I know you have subscribed and clicked on the bell. But before you leave, click on the video you see on your screen right now and watch it. You're gonna love it. Bye.